Hello and welcome. Today we've got this DCH273. It's a Type 2. Going well enough, but it's got an issue. Show you what is wrong. I'm going to have to put on the butt. And see what happened there? The butt stayed in and came out of the chuck. To show you how to avoid this sort of Excalibur thing that we've got going on. So to stop this thing from happening, what you do is replace a couple of the components in the chuck here. You get the chuck cover, and that's the part number if you're interested, and also a ball. I might try and put the part number in the description because it's not on the packaging. So what we do is, we don't even need to take anything else apart, we just need to take the chuck apart, which is not as hard as it sounds. Just pull out this rubber part, and there's a circle up in there, like a way of retaining hog ring or whatever you would call it. Whatever you want to call it, it's there and it has to come out. You just pull that out and the cover will lift off like that, and there's the ball. You can see that, and the ball is just under tension with a spring and a washer. You don't have to remove them. We'll just get the new ball and we'll pop it in. We'll pop this one out first. If you can see it, I might slacken this handle and take it off so you can see what I'm doing. Take them out there, and be careful, that's under load. That springs up. Not too bad. I'm sensing there could be wear in this ball and this here. You actually can see the wear in there if you look. There's actually excessive wear in there. Yeah, it just feels all rough in there. You can't always see it. It doesn't take very much to make this not work. So we just get the new ball out of the packet here. New ball there now. You can see that. Sometimes you get away without replacing it, but for the value it doesn't cost that much, so I tend to replace them now. I'm going to put a bit of grease in here. I tend to replace the ball. Put a bit of grease in there, it does no harm in that chuck. And we'll just get the other cover on here now. Helps everything move. Just put the chuck cover on there, the new one, like that. Put back in the ring. So you go over the first part, it's quite simple. There you are. And you have to get it on down into a recess in here. There's a recess further down here, but it's there we are. Clip that in down in there. There we are. You can see where that is now. That's down in a little recess down there. That holds the chuck together. Holds the cover on. And you put this rubber thing back in, just pushes in. You should be able to do that by hand quite easily. Like that. The handle back on. Which, you know, so you can, then we'll give you a demo again to see if the work I have done has been worthwhile. There we are. Let's see. We wouldn't have been able to do that before we replaced those parts, so I'm calling that fixed. So all we had to do is replace those two parts, and our drill's fixed. I'll try and put links in the description if I remember. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.